Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer Dogecoin from Bitrue to Coinbase in 2025. Whether you're new to crypto or just need a quick refresh, this step-by-step tutorial will have you moving your Doge in no time. It's super important to handle your crypto transfers carefully to avoid any mishaps, so let's get started. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Bitrue and Coinbase. If you haven't already, download the apps or log in via their websites. Once you're logged into Bitrue, head over to your wallet section and select Dogecoin from your list of assets. You'll see your current balance. Double-check that it's the amount you want to transfer. Next, switch to your Coinbase account. Go to your Dogecoin wallet and find the option to deposit Doge. This will generate a unique wallet address. Copy that address carefully, as it's your key to the transfer. Pro tip: always verify the address to prevent any errors. One wrong character could send your coins into the void. Now, back in Bitrue, navigate to the withdrawal section for Dogecoin. Paste the Coinbase wallet address into the designated field, and enter the amount you want to transfer. Don't forget to check for any network fees. In 2025, these might be lower due to improved blockchain tech, but they can still add up. Review everything one last time, then hit confirm. You'll likely need to complete a two-factor authentication step for security. After initiating the transfer, keep an eye on the transaction status. It could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, log back into Coinbase and refresh your Dogecoin balance to confirm the funds have arrived. If you run into issues, both platforms have support chats or help centers to guide you. And there you have it. That's how you safely transfer Dogecoin from Bitrue to Coinbase in 2025. Always remember to stay secure and double-check your steps. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.